Can a brain the size of a walnut understand abstract concepts? Alex, the gray parrot, has a brain that size, and he can. Alex was purchased from an ordinary pet shop in Chicago in 1977 by scientist Irene Pepperberg. She took him home and taught him English. He understood the names of 50 objects, and he could understand colors, shapes, and quantities. He understood the difference between substances such as wood, paper, or rock. He could ask for specific toys and the colors that they represented. When asked how many blue objects there were, when there were none presented to him, he answered, none. When he answered none, that was a very interesting response, because the concept of zero had always been considered a higher brain function that only primates were capable of. The night before Alex died of heart failure, Irene Pepperberg wished him a good night, and his answer was heartbreaking. Fascinating true science stories for smart kids. Check it out.